Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a final flip through of my 2019 December daily. That is right, I completed it, it's done. I'm so excited. I can't believe it's done. And I did lose some steam at the end. They're not as decorated as I probably would want them to be, but the pictures are in there and I did all the journaling. I did not include the journaling in the book yet. It's all on my phone because I just felt like I wanted to do the final flip through without that information in it. I just don't want some of that information on YouTube necessarily. Like obviously if it's a friend that I'm showing it to, it's fine that they read it, but like just YouTube people, I just don't necessarily know everybody, so I didn't want that out on YouTube. So I am going to just do a final flip through of this. As I do this, I am just going to go fairly quickly. I think it'll be a fairly quick video because I do have process videos for each and every single page in this book. One, or the cover letter, a cover all the way to 25. So if you're interested in all, I definitely will leave the link to the playlist right here. You can click on that playlist and just watch it over and over. I'm just going to spend a little bit of time as we're flipping through this. It's going to be a pretty quick flip through. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about different things. I might stop and talk about a couple different things, but it's going to be pretty quick. So here's my cover letter, my cover, and I really love this. It is, I do want to just comment that having this plastic kind of hard cover here has been really nice, but when I do flip it over, I do have to make sure I take that piece with it when I flip it over to make sure that it doesn't break or tear, but it's held up pretty good. And then I just have this on the back to kind of accent, and then my puppy balls. I love the little puff balls. And then I did keep an index of all of the different pages that I did on there. And there is my calendar, kind of filled out some stuff. Christmas tree. This one has a little flip out. So probably not as many like different little components as I would have liked. I do like the whole flip out thing. There's a list here that comes out of the pocket. I can put it back in. And I have a bunch of cards that I received, Christmas cards. There's a little pocket over here. And again, none of my journaling is in here. I wanted to wait until I did the final flip through before I did the journaling. This one has a little flip of this is a couple of my friends, and this is the whole team that put this Christmas party together. So I, again, say that in the video. Yeah, so yeah, I just really think it turned out really pretty. It's pretty simplistic. I mean, given my aesthetic and my taste and my planner video, like if you look at my planner videos, you'll see that, but I think it's all right. I think that it's okay that it's a little bit simple. I did this little day in the life of routine thing. I thought that's really cute, and I took pictures of the whole days. And then this is the 10 moments so far, 10 memories of December. And I still have to write this and put this on there. And I did actually find my little nerds, holiday nerds, packaging, so that's in there. And then this has a little flip out thing of all the yumminess, and then it just kind of goes back in there. And then yeah, that's my work team. And there's my mom opening her 12 Days of Christmas box. And then these all have little flip-ups with all of the different packages and things that I had in there. This will be very helpful for next year when I'm trying to think of things to put in her packages. I can refer back and say, okay, maybe not give her that, but give her that. And then I had a game day on the 14th. So there is a little card here that I'm going to put the journaling on. And then back here, I'm going to also put another card here of some journaling. And this one has a little flip out. It says before we created and then after we created them. It was a big, huge mess. And then I got some hot cocoa that day. And here are the different pictures of our gingerbread houses. And then I'm going to add journaling here for this day of shopping. And then I have my little gift list. I actually have this gift list behind it that I'm going to be transferring over to this one. But I tore it out of the notes section that I was keeping it in, the notebook I was keeping it in. There's a picture of my holiday wrapping paper and my little Santa Claus. This is kind of coming up, so I'm thinking I'm going to have to paper clip that, but we'll do that later. And then there's my music. I still have to add the music things. And then my joy is the word for number 20. And then my lights that I went to on the 21st. And then on the 22nd, I did a planner layout. So this was the before and then the after each of the layouts. And then here's my Christmas checklist. The 23rd, I literally had nothing going on, so I just did a little checklist. And then the 24th, I just did yesterday. I just uploaded this one yesterday, so if you had seen that, this will look familiar. And then my little recipe. And yeah, all of the goodness. And my son and my mom. So that is my December 2019 December daily flip through. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you guys had a great December, and I wish you all the best in the coming up 2020. And this would be a great time to hit that subscribe button because I've got lots of different things planned for 2020. I've got a whole list. I actually am I'm going to officially start bullet journaling. Going to add one more thing to my already packed things that I do. But I did buy a bullet journal, and I have kind of started. You'll see there's a little sneak peek. So if you're interested in that, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.